Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace a loose zoom ring on a Canon 2470 f2.8 Mark II lens. This process also works on any Canon zoom lens. It's pretty much the same. You don't have to ship it in. All you have to do is buy a new zoom ring part and replace it. On this lens, the ring comes off pretty easily. It's really loose. If I pinch it together, you can actually see it separating. It's pretty bad. So I recommend calling Canon and ordering the part directly from them. You get a better quality part and it's cheaper than most people are selling it for on eBay. The ring itself costs $6.19. Shipping is $7, but if you're like me, you order a couple other things that you needed to swap out while you're making the order anyways. I ordered new rubber grips for my Canon 6D. The grips are coming off on my camera too, so I thought it'd be a good time to just replace all of them. So everything's pretty cheap. The package comes with everything. Came in 7 days from New Jersey to San Francisco. I bought 2 rings so that I wouldn't have to pay shipping twice if it happened again. The new stuff looks great, feels great, much better than the old one. To replace it, the old ring pretty much comes off. It was loose as heck anyways. You can tell difference in size. This new ring's much bigger. Not that much bigger, but it's bigger. So grab the old lens. There is no double-sided adhesive on the ring. All you have to do is slip the new one on. The elasticity of the new ring will keep it on the lens itself. No adhesive needed. So to get it on, you just put it on there and slowly work it around there. Just get it on. It's pretty tight. And there it is. The new zoom ring fits perfectly just like new, doesn't move around, holds pretty well, and fits just like the original. I'll put the part numbers in the description for anybody interested and the phone number to call Canon. Thanks for watching.